Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add your Facebook pixel to StanStore. All right, so first up, under here on StanStore, just go ahead over to the left panel and click on Settings. Okay, just click on it, and once done, once you're in here under Profile, just click on it and scroll all the way down until you find Analytics. Okay, this one right here at the top, or the first option, is Facebook Pixel. At the bottom is TikTok Pixel ID, Pinterest right here, and Google Analytics. Okay, make sure that you're subscribed to a plan like Creator or Creator Pro. Okay, it will need our Facebook Pixel ID right here. So where do we get it? Just go ahead over to your Events Manager to get your Pixel ID. Right here under Overview, now you should be able to see your Ad Account ID right here, and at the bottom you have your Ad Account Pixel ID. All right, so just copy it and go back here under Analytics, paste. And once done, just hit on Update, and after that, you're good to go. All right, that's how you add a Facebook pixel to StanStore. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.